Good morning everyone. How are you all? I'm sure you are doing great and enjoying our online lessons while staying safe at home. So today I'm here again with another fun and interesting English lesson for you all. We are going to learn about some figure of speeches. So students, have you ever heard of the term alliterations before? Let's learn it together. I'm sure you all know about tongue twisters and we all enjoy saying these tongue twisters with our friends for fun, right? Now let's try to say some of these together. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Let's try another one. Timmy eats terrific tacos on Tuesday. Timmy eats terrific tacos on Tuesday. Now let's try a hard one. Betty bought butter, but the butter was bitter, so Betty bought better butter to make the bitter butter better. So can you say these repeatedly? I'm sure it's a bit hard but fun, isn't it? So did you notice in all of these tongue twisters, words were starting from the same sound, and this is what alliterations are about. Alliteration is having the same consonant sound at the beginning of the words. वर्ड्स की शुरू में एक जैसी आवाज़ के आने को जो किसी कॉन्सोनेंट लेटर से स्टार्ट हो उसको हम एलिट्रेशन कहते हैं. लाइक इन द टंग ट्विस्टर, पीटर पाइपर पिक्ड अ peck of pickled pepper. We can constantly hear the sound p, isn't it? Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Okay, so there are many other examples of alliterations around us. Can you think of any cartoon character or the title of any game or any kind of shop that uses alliteration? Perhaps the cartoon character Bugs Bunny, it has the same sound B, Bugs Bunny. Or we have a very famous cafe named as Dunkin' Donuts, which is having the same sound D. There are so many other examples around us that we usually don't notice, but they're having alliterations. So now the question is, why do we use alliterations? I'm sure आपको अब तक तो idea हो चुका होगा that having a same sound in a sentence or phrase sounds a bit catchy and attractive, and they are more easy to memorize. So that is why we use alliterations. It makes our writing more fun, enjoyable, and sounds pleasant to the ears. Now let's learn about another figure of speech called assonance. When two or more words repeat the same vowel sound but starting with the consonant sound is called assonance. Do you get it? Let's try to understand with some examples. Men sell the wedding bells. Men sell the wedding bells. Can you notice all of these words are starting with a consonant sound? Men start with the sound of M. Sell starts with the sound of S. Wedding starts with the sound of V. And the word bells start with the sound of B. But in all of these words, after the consonant sound, we can see the repetition of the vowel sound E. Men sell the wedding bells. Let's see another example, which is very easy. Peeling peaches. These words also have the same vowel sound E after the consonant sound. So isn't it easy? Now did you notice any difference or similarity between alliterations and assonance? Let's review what we learned today. Alliterations involves repetition of the same consonant sound, but assonance involves repetition of the same vowel sound. That's the difference between both of these terms. Also, alliterations and assonance both are usually used in poetry or any kind of writing to make it sound more attractive and catchy. Now, if we can think of any other example of alliterations or assonance, do comment down below and share it with everyone. And I hope this lesson was helpful enough for you. Still you find any confusion related to the topic, you can always rewatch this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you never miss any video from us. Have a wonderful day. Allah Hafiz.